loves, before you do anything, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. For those of you that are new, thank you all for coming. I'm Otanique Riel, and for those of you that are returning, welcome back home. So today, y'all already know from the title, I will be doing an unboxing video. I purchased a few electronics from like local suppliers here in Nassau, Bahamas, and I just wanted to, open them up since they're all boxed and just share with you the items that I bought. Okay, I was able to get all the items I wanted except for one, which was the main one what I wanted, and that was my battery for my Dell laptop. Unfortunately, I will have to order it because the place that I wanted to get it from, they don't have it. So I am gonna order it. It's like $25, and it probably could be like $30 some to clear it. So in total, I'll probably spend like $50 on the battery for my laptop. But nonetheless, the other items that I really wanted to get, I'm happy that I was able to get them. Okay, so let's just jump right into the video. I don't want this video to be long. My lip watering. First item we're gonna start with is this USB-C and USB-A 16,000 mAh power bank, and it's for games, tablets, MP4, or iPhone or phone, whatever phone you have. This is how the box looks, and I got this as a gift from my institution. If you watch my vlog, I just graduated and they gave us a little baggie with a little goodies, and this is one of the gifts that they had in the bag. So yeah, let's just open it up. I have on nails, so I know all of these boxes could get ripped right up. Y'all, I recording on a park because if I did it at home, Kai would have been making too much noise. So I just say, let me go to the park where I could have a little sanity. This is the power bank. Ooh, that's nice. It came with a little charging port where you charge the power bank, and I'm just gonna pop this out. I like this. I already like this. They have their little logo on it. It says Doctors Hospital Institute of Learning, class of 2022. So to charge this, I assume you just get a power block, put it on this, and you can snap this in here. Come on. And you just snap that in here, and then you give this a good charge, and then you're ready to go. I think this is really cool. I think it's a really good gift that they thought of getting us, because you always be on the run all the time, and sometimes your phone, I only can speak with myself. My phone is die, so actually no, my phone doesn't die quick, but I'm on my phone all day, like literally 24/7. I'm on my phone, so this is gonna come in handy, especially when I'm on the run. For example, if I'm at my band rehearsal, I know that's where my phone dies really quickly. Even though we have outlets there, I could just plug in my power bank and I can have my phone right in my hand while I'm at band looking up lyrics and stuff like that. So it is very convenient that they gave this to me. Thank you, Doctors Hospital. All right, so that's the power bank. On to the next item. Car F8 Bluetooth car charger. I already started to open it because they wanted to make sure that it was working. But it comes with a micro TF recording. It comes with an FM transmitter. Supports USB charger. It supports MP3 music, and it supports hand-free like calling and stuff like that. Product specifications: full frequency transmitter, digital display. What else? Bluetooth answer, hang up, reject calls, redial calls. Like, this have a lot of specifications. It has a little information manual. I hope it's in English, buddy. I definitely got to read this because I know how to work this thing. But this is how it looks. This is how it looks. This is how it looks. And then this rotates, so you can do it any which way. You just plug this piece into your car, and then you have to turn the radio to 108.0, I think. The next item that I have, and I hope my camera's still recording, the next item I have is this cell phone car mount. I've been wanting to get a car mount because I like to vlog when I like going out places, so I've been wanting to get a mount so that I can just take y'all with me wherever I go, and like I wouldn't have problems holding up the phone. So right now I have my selfie stick. That's what I'm using to hold my phone up. Not even like a tripod, and that's the next thing I'm supposed to get. I'm supposed to get a tripod, but I was able to get my car mount today. Ow, almost bust my lip. I was able to get my car mount, and it's a one-touch system, 360 turning, telescopic arm, adhesive pad, and suction. So I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this. I am gonna have plenty fun with this one. Let me see if I can open it. Ooh. Child, I know. Ooh. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, y'all, I really don't want to break this up because I just get it, obviously. Oh. So this goes like this right here. Okay. Now we can come with gas, but I still don't know what to do from here. Anyway, we'll figure it out. I think this piece goes, oh crap. I'm actually gonna set these things up when I'm done filming this video, because at about 8 o'clock I have to go out to volleyball game. So I wanna have everything set up when I'm done filming this for y'all. The last thing on my list is this Watch 7. Technology inspires life is what it says, and it only comes with a charger. I knew that from I got it. It didn't come with any extra bands or anything. Mind you, these are local suppliers that I get them from, so it ain't like I ordering them and it comes with the whole shebang. So it ain't like I ordering them and they come with the whole shebang. So opening the package, it comes with the little menu that explains everything and shows you how to work it. I will have to read this later. And then it comes with the watch and the charging cord. Gonna take the watch out. Okay. And I decided to get this pink one. They didn't have the black one that I wanted. You know, black goes with anything. So the only other option I had was this pink one and then a white one. And I didn't want the white because the white would have gotten dirty like super quick. Hey guys, so my phone died when I was about to finish up the video. I was talking about my watch. I am loving how my watch is working. I love the features on it. It has a Bluetooth feature. I can record my steps, whatever exercises I'm doing. What else I could do on this? So it also gives me notifications from my phone. So if somebody sends me a message, I can see the message on my watch, like see it. I cannot respond, obviously. This isn't an iPhone. This isn't an Apple Watch, and I don't even know if you can respond with Apple Watches. But yeah, it's pretty cool, and it has a good amount of features for me to explore. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. It's not really something that y'all are gonna see me doing on a regular. I said since I got a few new gadgets, I might as well share the unboxing with y'all. If y'all want to see more content, then I definitely think y'all should subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of ideas coming your way. So I also want to say that I appreciate everyone that has, you know, supported my channel thus far. I think I'm coming a long way. I'm not at my goal of subscribers yet, but it's moving on up. I'm at 159 subscribers, and my first goal is 500. So you guys just keep on supporting, and I will definitely keep on supplying you guys with videos and content and all that good stuff. So thank y'all again for watching, and leave a comment of whatever video y'all want to see. And yeah, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Mwah.